Alright, this is another grab from stageanalysis.net. US stock screeners GBX on the New York Stock Exchange, and that stands for Greenbrier Companies Inc. And let's go through it, man. Monthly candle chart. Screw that over. I want to see what the higher trend's all about. I think I got some monthly defined support right there. And I think we have some monthly defined resistance here. And we just broke out. Or we're breaking out now. So check it out. If I'd be doing my classic chart trading framework, I'd wait for this candle to close, July. And I'd enter wherever it closes, put my sell stop below the low of the breakout candle. That's my risk, and my target would be right here. Whoa, yeah. So it's kind of dangerous here, right? Because right here you have some resistance. So I might have had to adjust my targets. Lower my targets, my initial targets, especially since it's a type of trade where my classic chart trading framework where I lock and load. I put in my buy stop, my buy limit, my sell stop, my profit limit, and then I just forget about it. It's perfect for newbies, or if people don't have time, you want to go on vacation, you don't have to bring your laptop. You just lock and load monthly candle charts, and that's it. You just wait. And I have a concept called profit configurations, and I look for walls, previous support, turn resistance, or just resistance, and I try to put that target right before it, maybe before a low number, and it lowers my risk to reward, but I increase my chances of reaching those my probable target, my possible target. So that's how it looks, guys. Looks like it wants to break out on the monthly. Let's head on over to Stan Weinstein. And look at that. Stage 2, Stage 3, Stage 4, Stage 1, Stage 2, choppy water, Stage 3. And right now, that Stage 3 seems to want to break out. Let's zoom in. We're above the Ichimoku cloud, the green cloud support. That means we're in an uptrend. We have a weekly candle that closed above our monthly defined breakout line. We had another breakout the week before. So right here, we have a breakout candle above 30-week average, above horizontal breakout line. You had another breakout candle, this one here, and they both are above resistance. So we're still in an uptrend. So stage 3 to stage 4. There's no red Ichimoku cloud, no Ichimoku cloud defined resistance on top. All we have is our monthly defined resistance here at the 53.65 level, and eventually at the 60.40. So right now, this is twice the average of the previous 4 weeks. This is still twice the average of the previous 4 weeks. I got my good old-fashioned RSI. Really need to get myself a Mansfield indicator. Keep saying it. I have to do it. What else we have? And that's what I like. Breakouts. Leading to a bigger pattern, breakout, thrust up. These ones were one after the other. Like there's even another one here. Horizontal breakout line. This one right here. Breakout, sideways move, breakout. And whenever these breakouts happen below 30-week moving average, with a 30-week average still flat or skewing down, then usually you have this sideways move. But it's healthy if it's on low volume. So I like waiting for the second or third breakout. Here's the first. Right here. I saved myself all that time, that congestion. Here's a second. And I say, okay, that's looking pretty good, but I have some close overhead resistance here. And then the third. So this is just beautiful. Stack, stack, stack. And all that makes the 30-week average see it's starting to skew up. Skewing upwards. I'm further and further away from the low. Stano says 40 to 50% move already out of the low before you should get in. And that's what you have, guys. This is very, very constructive. Looks like it's a stage 2 imminent. I definitely would wait for the monthly candle to close, just to make sure we have the monthly trend above us, that this is not a false breakout. Even if it's building up nice, just make sure the higher trend is in your favor. There's no rush. Worst case is the price action might go up in the following weeks and maybe go down a little bit. And if it goes down in contracting volume, then you have even more confirmation that it's a valid breakout and you could enter right there. Looks good, right? GBX, man. That's a sweet example of a stage 3 not becoming a stage 4, but going for a stage 2, guys. You can see right here. Let me just scoot back here. Let's say we're here. And you could have said, hey, stage 4 breakdown below 30-week average, below horizontal breakout line. Crazy volume. See how there's 2 candles? It's like the inverse, right? You look for stage 4, inverse all the criteria of a stage 2. Green means you're looking for red candles. RSI, you're looking for under the 50, or the Mansfield under 0 line. But there's this green cloud. What is that, Pat? Well, that's the Ichimoku cloud defined support with its green. So if you don't have a candle that protrudes that breaks down all the way that goes below it, this is going to act as support. So if ever you're not looking at the previous support, or you're dismissing it because you really want to get into this trade because your uncle told you you had to, this is support, guys. And you see, just quiet, didn't want to get sucked down through it. Came close. The support brought it back up to continue the stage 3. I've seen this over and over. Why always look for an excuse not to go in a trade? And the Ichimoku cloud is just perfect for that, guys. All right, so respect it and wait for setups where you don't have that Ichimoku cloud defined resistance or support in your way on the direction of the trade. But right now we're clear, guys. This is a question of weeks. Wait 3 weeks. We're at the end of the month, and you're set to go, man, for GBX. If you have that monthly candle close above that 53.65 level. Let me just go check that back. Zoom. Yeah, right here, 53.65 there. If you could close above that, serious close above that, that'd be awesome. All right, keep that chart open, guys. It's really tempting a stage 2 breakout. Very constructive of that stage 3 into a stage 2. That's it. See ya. Ciao, man.